Hey guys, I'm out here with my brushed Traxxas Blast, stock motor, stock ESC, and I've got a 4-cell Lipo in it. You heard me right, 4-cell Lipo. Let's see how she handles it. It already died. That's how she handled it, guys. She's dead already. That was pretty uneventful. Now, before you destroy me for doing this, I did it because I wanted to get rid of the blast, and I had a 4-cell Lipo that was starting to puff on me, so I thought, hey, let's put the Lipo in the blast and see what happens. The 4-cell, that is. And that's what happened. It lasted about, what, 20 seconds? Then, at least it's coming back to us, huh?